This is a 1970s inspired shag cardigan that I made, and in this video I'm going to show you what I did to make this. I'm really proud of this, so stay tuned. So the first thing I got was this lightly colored cardigan that I got from a thrift store, and I got it in a light color because I was going to just fabric dye it because I wanted it to be a different, more betterer color. And so I started with this, but you can find a good cardigan for cheap in thrift stores. Who knew? I wanted to dye my cardigan orange, so I'm using this tangerine sunshine orange RIT dye that I got from Joann's, I believe. And right now I'm going to be shaking it very well because that's what the bottle told me to do. And I take orders from inanimate objects. This is what the cardigan looks like after I dyed it. It came out a really nice orange color. Although here it does look darker than it actually is, I still really like the color it came out as, so I'm happy with that.
Beautiful sight. Now put on my favorite group, they call themselves Delight.
So then I took a string of yarn and I began to wrap it around the widest part of my hand. I found that it's easier to do it this way because I didn't feel like taking out like a sheet of paper, then measuring it, and then wrapping around that sheet of paper. I just thought this was quicker because my hand is right there. So I wrapped it around my hand about 31 times, and then I took, after wrapping it around my hand, I took some scissors and I cut down the middle, and these are going to be the strands you need to make the shag part of your cardigan. So the next thing I did was I took the smallest crochet needle I could find. I'm sorry, I don't know what size this is, but it was just the smallest crochet needle that I could find. And if your cardigan has like holes, quote unquote, in it, then what you're gonna do is take that crochet needle, or what I did was take the crochet needle, pushed the needle through the hole, took the yarn, pulled it through that hole, and then looped it back through, making a knot so it can stay in place. And this is what it looks like. So I repeated the process of looping, swooping, and pulling and making knots throughout the sweater, but only at the end of the sleeves and on the front lapel, just to give it that 70s feel. And after doing all of that, I was pretty much done, and this is how I styled it.
Electric eyes, you dip to the dive, baby, you'll realize, baby, you'll see the funk inside of me, baby, you'll see that rhythm is a key. Get witty, can't think quitty, stomp on a stoop when I hear a funk loop, playing Pop Piper, follow Hood's troop, baby, just sing about the groove. Sing it.